How to create a multi-currency wallet on Wise. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily open a balance in 50 plus currency on Wise. Without any further delay, let us just get right into the video. First off, you want to open up your Wise application and make sure that you are logged into your account. I'm already logged in here on my account, and from here all you have to do is tap on the open button right beside your balance on your account section on your homepage. So just tap on the plus icon to open up your wallet or your balance. Then you can easily select balance or jar. So balance is basically you can spend, receive, and send money, and on your jar you can just set money aside for whenever you need it. I'll just select balance for now, and then you can easily search for a currency of which you want to open a balance from. So I'll just select US dollars and click on US dollars here, the option. You can do this for any other currency you want as well, like pounds or euros. So I'll just go ahead and select dollars for now. Now you have multiple options. You can add your amount, your conversion, then you can also send and receive your money from this as well. And that's basically it, guys. It's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.